In the last video, we saw a quick demo like how it will look like when we will enable GitOps for our Terraform code. Now let's understand the workflow. Let's see what is happening in the background. So let's see what is the traditional approach, like how we are doing Terraform right now. So let's say I am the user and I have to change something in Terraform. Then what I'll do, I'll write Terraform code on my local. I will run Terraform plan from my local laptop. Then let's say if everything looks good, then I will run Terraform apply also from my local laptop, and then changes will get reflected on my cloud. This is the traditional approach without Atlantis. Now let's see what it will look like when we have Atlantis in place. So this is the GitOps way. So what I'm doing here is, let's say I have to do some changes in Terraform. Then what I'll do, I will do my changes in my Git repo. I will create a pull request there. The moment I will create a pull request in my Git repo, it will trigger Atlantis via a webhook, and then Atlantis will run Terraform plan on my behalf, and Atlantis will comment back in my pull request with the Terraform plan. Now what I can do, I can review that Terraform plan by myself, or maybe I can get it reviewed by my peers also. And after reviewing, let's say if everything looks good, then I will instruct Atlantis to apply that plan. And then finally Atlantis will apply the plan and things will get created on cloud. This is the GitOps way or Atlantis way of running Terraform. Now let's see what all we need to get this implemented. So these are the few things which we need. So first of all, we need a Atlantis server. So we'll configure Atlantis on one of our Linux machines, and after that we need our Terraform code to be in Git. Then we also need GitHub authentication so that Atlantis can download the code from your Git repo, and similarly he can comment back with the updated plan and apply. I also need a GitHub webhook so that whenever there is a change in my GitHub repo, it will notify Atlantis for that change, and similarly Atlantis can act as needed. Now let's build these things one by one.